Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Filmora application on your PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Filmora application on your PC and then you're going to go to this menu right here. Click on this menu and then check for updates. Okay, and here you will see your current version of Filmora. And wait, it's still loading, and make sure that you have internet connection to update your Filmora. Okay, and I'm using the latest version of Filmora, and this is the version of my Filmora 14.8.17, and these are the features from this version. And if you want to update it, just click on the update button. But since my Filmora is already updated, there is no option to update my Filmora. But you will see the option to update here. You can click on update. I think it will be right here or somewhere in this menu. You can also view the version history. Okay, this is the version history, and that's all the way to update Filmora application on PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.